Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and the DXY. And basically this week, last week we saw how, as you can see, the whole 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we were very bearish, and we can actually conclude that we are very much in a bearish movement right now for the DXY. The dollar is very weak, basically. And then on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm looking at for the week. Let me see. So I'm anticipating for a pullback into these regions here, a little bit more like a pullback, so we can continue the ride. And so anything just a little pullback to these regions would be enough. So more like a buy to these regions, and we can continue the movement to the downside. All right, so this is basically what I'm anticipating for the DXY, and if that's going to happen, I'll be anticipating my continuation for gold to the upside. But before then, maybe as market has opened, we might just get price to maybe push down a little bit to these regions before we continue to the upside. Yes, very much confident in going for buys this week if price breaks through this strong resistance level we've seen here. So a break of that level will be very much confidence to go for buys on gold. Okay, so for pound USD, same thing. We might continue for the up movements here on the daily time frame. We've seen price retesting a very critical area, but be that as it may, over here on the 4 hours time frame, we might just anticipate that bearish pullback to these regions here, and then maybe we can now come back to this region to retest these highs, possibly break, retest, and then continue to the upside. So that's what we might be anticipating here on pound USD this week. All right, we're very much in a bullish trend right now, and so that's basically that on pound USD. And then on USDCAD, I'm very much bearish, but we might just get these bullish movements in earlier this week, just a pull to this region, and that would mean we might just get a continuous bullish movement to this region before we continue to the downside. So this is what I'm anticipating for the 4 pairs, the 3 pairs, and the DXY. So a bearish movement on USD CAD, but a pre-pullback here, and then pound USD pullback, continuation to the upside. Gold pullback to the downside, continuation to the upside, and DXY pullback to the upside and continuation to the downside. So that's what we have for this week. I'm putting my eyes on gold. Looks very sweet, and let's see how that goes. Wish you guys a peaceful week and enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao.